Hello dear viewers, today I am still in Jaipurhat district. This village name is Pachachakpara Jaipurhat. Today I am still in mustard field. It looks very nice. There are many mustard field here. Some mustard field are big and some are small. It looks very nice. We can see there is a big mustard field here. There are many mustard plants and it looks very nice because there are many flowers in the field. Its smell is so good. Maybe after 30 days it will be perfect for harvest. And on my left side we can see there's a big mustard field here too. This mustard field looks very nice. We can see some trees are small and some are big, and we can see there are some trees has no flower, so no mustard flower, and some tree has many mustard flower. Wow, we can see this is a small mustard tree but there are many flowers in this tree which looks very nice. And we can see there are many mustard field here and many mustard plants. There are many kinds of mustards in Bangladesh. It's cultivated, the best time to cultivate mustard is October to November. Wow, we hear the nice bird melody. Its sound is so nice and so good. When you come here, you will pleasure. We can see this is a big field. Every field has mustard. This looks very nice, and we can see how far there is a village. I don't know this village name. We can see there are lots of trees here. I don't see it clearly. Maybe there are coconut tree, mango tree, date tree, and many bamboo forest, jackfruit tree, lychee tree. There are many trees. I don't understand the trees because it is foggy, so I don't see it clearly. And we can see on my left side, this is a field. There are no flower in this field. So this mustard field has no flower. Some flower because this flower is so small. And this field is all green. And on my left side, this field is yellow around the field. We can see, and we can see there are many people walking in the road. Maybe they visit this mustard field. In this gate, Allah and welcome. Maybe this place name is Kudratwa Idgah Field, Baganpur. Municipality is Jaipurhat. This gate is so nice. It uses 2 days in a year. One is Eid ul Fitr and one is Eid ul Adha. There are many trees here. Oh, its tree is so nice. It is so big. I don't climb it. And you can see there are many trees here. I don't know the tree name. And we can see there are 2 trees here. It's so big. And we can see this field is so big. I like this field. I like this melody of bird. Wow, we can see this is a field in front of me. This is a field here. a boundary here. This boundary is so small. And we can see this is a minar here. We can see the big tree. I don't know this tree's name. Wow, we can hear the nice melody of birds. It's so nice. And it's very, very nice. This tree is so big. There are many birds in this tree. I don't see this bird because it's so high. Wow, I can see a bird fly in the sky. And we can see there are two trees here. It's not small, not big, it's medium. We can see there are three ducks here. It's very, very nice. They collected food here. And we can see this is a small tree here. It is olive tree. And we can see there is a motorbike here. There is a motorbike here. It looks so nice. This motorbike name is Pulsar maybe. And we can see this is a big field here. It's all green and green. This field is green and green. It looks very nice. Also green, also yellow. Looks very, very nice. Both looks very, very nice. There are some small trees and some are big trees. Some trees has no flower and some tree has some flower. We can see in front of this field there's a big mustard field here. It's all yellow and yellow. And its smell is so good. And we can see this is a road. And we can see there's a big pigeon here. It's collected food. It looks so nice. And we can see a motorbike past this field. There are two people in this bike. And we can see there are many mustard field here. Also see there are many mustard field here. One field has no flower, all green and green, and on this left side, this is a mustard field. There are many flowers here. The smell is so good. This field has no flower. It's all green and green. And we can see a farmer. We can see there's a village here. I don't know. There's some house here and there are many trees. Some are jackfruit, some are coconuts, some are mango, some are date. etc. Left side we can see this is a big bamboo garden here. There are many bamboo trees here.